So, about a month ago, Samsung launched two devices the same day, which is the Samsung Galaxy A51 and the Samsung Galaxy A71. But the Samsung Galaxy A71 is much bigger than the Samsung Galaxy A51, but not that big though. But when it comes to price, the Samsung Galaxy A71 is much higher than the Samsung Galaxy A51. But they share some of body similarities. They have the same design and the same camera structure. If you want to pick any of them, you might be a little bit confused. That's why I created this video, to help you make that purchase decision. If you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more. In this video, we're going to compare them to know which one is better. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, we're going to start off the comparison by listing the key specifications of these two devices like always. First, I'm going to start with the display. So I'll be calling it out for you guys. The Samsung Galaxy A71 and the A51 has a Super AMOLED display, but the Samsung Galaxy A71 has a 6.7 inches, while the Samsung Galaxy A51 has a 6.5 inches. Both devices rocks the same Full HD Plus resolution, that is a 1080 by 2400 pixels. And in terms of protection, the Samsung Galaxy A71 and A51 has the same protection. They both have a Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. So when it comes to display, I think the Samsung Galaxy A71 won in the display department. All right, so in terms of platform, both these two devices are running Android 10. Wow, with One UI 2. And in the chipset, the Samsung Galaxy A51 has an Exynos 9611, while the Samsung Galaxy A71 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. And in terms of GPU, the A51 uses a Mali G72 GPU, while the A71 has an Adreno 618 GPU. And in terms of memory, both devices has a lot of memory configuration, so we're going to skip that section. In the camera department, the A51 has a 48 main camera, while the A71 has a 64 megapixel main camera. And on the front, they has the same 32 megapixel front selfie camera. They both support USB Type-C, so they support fast charging. And the A51 has a 4000 mAh battery, while the A71 has a 4500 mAh battery, and it supports 25 watt fast charging, while the A51 supports only 15 watt fast charging. So that's pretty much about the specs comparison. Now, what are my thoughts? As you can see from the specs I just listed, I think the Samsung Galaxy A71 is much better than Samsung Galaxy A51. But the price of the Samsung Galaxy A71 is much higher than the Samsung Galaxy A51. So if you are to choose between two of them, if you have the cash, you should go for the A71. But if you don't have the cash, you should go for the A51. Both these two devices are really great devices. I can't just say the A51 is bad. The A51 is not bad, and the A71 is not bad. So what I'm trying to say is that if you have the money for the A71, you should go for the A71. But if you don't have that money, you should go for the A51. I hope you can now know which one to go for. So if you are rich, you go for the A71. But if you are an average person who doesn't want to spend much on a smartphone, then you should go for the A51. So guys, that's pretty much about the comparison. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Peace. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe and turn on post notification. So guys,